In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook video not playing or not working problem on Facebook. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open Play Store. Update your Facebook apps latest version. From here, you make sure your Facebook apps is updated. If your Facebook apps is not updated, then update your Facebook apps. It helps to fix Facebook video not playing or not working problem. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Facebook application. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Again tap on clear cache. Clear cache data. It helps to fix Facebook video not playing or not working problem. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Reset your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Open Facebook app. Tap on profile picture. Scroll down. Tap on help and support. Tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Tap on include. Then tap on notification. Briefly explain your problem on Facebook support team. Briefly explain your problem and send report. Step 6. Restart your device. Open your Facebook apps. Solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.